Let me just ask you a simple question. 1 rep max. Why are you doing that? It's about the nervous system, the technique. And it's about the alchemical process inside of yourself, in your mind. So it's about what you create in your mind. I don't show you my form. I could. But you should train 1 rep for the technique, because you train your electromagnetic nervous system. Take care of yourself. Cultivate yourself. Stay in the flow. Know your alchemy. Train 1 rep max. Open up yourself. Truthfulness, compassion, and tolerance. Thank you for listening.